This is Mike from MPCstuff. Today we're going to install the Roland SP404 MKII top plate. These are not skins, they're actually the metal faceplate that's going to replace your original one. We have them in a couple colors. We have red, we have gold, and we have silver. So first you're just going to take off these, the hex screws or Allen keys, whatever you want to call them. And we're going to take off each one. They're pretty simple to take off. This is actually a very easy install. You're just going to pull these out. And then once we get them all out, you'll see we're going to put the casing on. It really is about a 2-minute change on this thing. So once you get this off, the faceplate will just come right up like this. So now you're going to take your new faceplate on, whichever color you decide, and put it on, and then we're going to put our hex screws back in. Now we have our last one. The good part about here is also we have knobs that are going to match as well. You could also mix match, but these ones in particular are matching with the red to give it the all red look. Again, these are available at MPCstuff.com in 3 different colors.